Hi guys, we're going to look at week 3's spicy problems. The first one was Rocket, Mantis and Peter Quill buy some cola bottles from the sweet shop. Rocket has 5 more than Mantis. Peter Quill has 3 less than Mantis. And we want to know how many cola bottles do they each have if they have 29 altogether. Then we're going to look at Gamora and Drax are fishing on Troon Pier. Drax has caught a third as many fish as Gamora. Altogether they've caught 28 fish. How many fish have they each caught? Let's look at that first problem. To begin with, I don't know anything about the number that each have got. All I know is that I can work out who's got the least and who's got the most. Now it tells me that Rocket has 5 more than Mantis, and it then tells me Peter Quill has 3 less than Mantis, which means Peter must have the least number of cola bottles and Rocket must have the most cola bottles. So let's put them out in order. I don't know how many cola bottles Peter's got, I just know he's got some cola bottles. So let's put out a bar to represent those, but I don't know how many there are. All I know about Mantis is that she's got the same as Peter, but then 3 more. So let's put out that same bar for Mantis, but then an extra 3. And then for Rocket, I know that Rocket's got the same as Mantis, plus an extra 5. So let's put out the same part that we've got for Peter and Mantis, that question mark. We don't know what it is, we just know it's the same. Then we've got the extra 3 to have the same as Mantis, but then he's got 5 more than Mantis, so I'm adding 5 more at the end. Now the next piece of information that's useful to us is the fact that there are 29 altogether. I already know the 3 that are going to Mantis, and there's 8 there that are definitely going to Rocket. So there's 11 there that we can already account for. So let's take those 11 away for a moment and we're left with 18 cola bottles. Now those 18 cola bottles have to be shared between those equal parts that Peter, Mantis and Rocket have got. So we've got 18 divided by 3. I'm going to put 6 in each of those, which means I now know that Peter has got 6 cola bottles, Mantis has got 9 cola bottles and Rocket has got 14 cola bottles. Let's have a look at the next question. So here we've got Drax and Gamora. I don't know how many they've each got, I just know that Drax has got a third as many as Gamora, which means Gamora has caught 3 times as many as Drax. So we can draw a bar to represent the number that Drax has caught. I don't know what that is, so I'm putting a question mark in there at the moment. And I know that Gamora's caught 3 times as many. So we've got 3 parts exactly the same size as Drax, so that now we can see Drax has caught a third as many as Gamora. I still don't know any values, so this is where the 28 that they've caught altogether is going to come in useful. I know that all of that adds up to 28 fish. That means I need to share those 28 fish between those 4 parts, which means I can put 7 in each of those, which means Drax must have caught 7 fish and Gamora must have caught 21 fish.